Hi everyone, this is Morgan from 9 to 5 Software. In this tutorial, we are going to find out about the best accounting software for government contractors and answer some of your most asked questions. You can find links to all the apps and services we talk about in the description. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the best DCAA compliant accounting software now on the market is QuickBooks. You can become DCAA compliant with the use of its QuickBooks Time feature, which is straightforward to set up. Through some of its features, such as automated daily reminders, quick audit trials, real-time reporting, and more. QuickBooks guarantees full DCAA compliance. It provides a lot to make even the most difficult parts of DCAA compliance much simpler to follow. Additionally, it is among the most comprehensive accounting software that includes some alluring features that attract your attention because they may make otherwise challenging tasks simple and effortless. AccountingSeed is one of the best DCAA-compliant accounting systems and is specifically designed for government contractors. It not only ensures DCAA compliance in handling your accounting tasks, but also gives you the freedom to operate at your peak efficiency and in accordance with your own style. Other than that, AccountingSeed is a cloud-based, feature-rich, all-in-one accounting program that is adaptable, customizable, connected, and automated. AccountingSeed doesn't have any price schemes. There is a pricing structure available that works for your company. The AccountingSeed price module is customized to meet your needs and specifications. This, in addition to the fact that it is a DCAA-approved accounting system, is a fascinating feature of this great instrument. Aspire GovCon Accounting is another top DCAA-compliant accounting program on our list. It is a strong solution that offers businesses of all sizes and types the ideal blend of cloud-based technology and DCAA-compliant accounting features. In addition, Aspire GovCon Accounting is also one of the most economical solutions because it provides focused features. It enables simple handling of fundamental accounting tasks, including recording and monitoring revenue and expenses, budgeting, producing and sending invoices, project management, forecasting, and many other things. Aspire GovCon Accounting has a subscription-based pricing model with monthly rates beginning at $125 for up to 5 employees. Deltek Costpoint is one of the top accounting programs that comply with DCAA and gives intelligence and innovation in the accounting process. It is one of the best tools available and was created specifically for government contractors. Deltek Costpoint uses cutting-edge technology such as real-time intelligence reporting, an ICR-enabled mobile app that runs smoothly, and more. Additionally, you can benefit from increased productivity, cost and profit management, project and financial management, and a host of other advantages that will likely surpass your expectations.